scratch code. This is the methane sensor. This is the Lego board thing. Can I see?
Go. It's starting.
Okay. Awesome. Thanks. Okay. Board. This is our methane sensor, the MQ4. This is wired in. This is 5 volts, ground, and this is the analog input as specified. We are using scratch code to show you these properties work. Here we are uploading, and here there's the serial monitor. Here's our methane levels. This is methane will vary within the air of the home. As you see, the level is changing. As you can see, by blowing on the methane sensor and changing up, the air concentration, that the results change. Obviously it would cause a difference, like as we displayed here. So now we are going to hook up the Adafruit heat and humidity sensor. This was done in accordance to the range Dylan said would be okay. So now we're going to be connecting V into 5 volts here. Again, this can take 3.3 volts to 5. It doesn't matter. That's connected to 5 and not ground, hopefully. This one's connected to ground, and this is what had happened before that one kid in lab fried his computer. SCL goes to, oh wait, that's SDI. SDI goes here. SDI goes here, and SCL goes here, and they match. We're going to hit the reset button on the board. That was pointless because we're going to upload new code to this. So here is some example code that was modified because it didn't work. We got this from a different website than the original datasheet, but for testing purposes of proving the interface definition, this is sufficient. We're going to upload our code. This was scratch code once more. Oh. Port. Spare ports. Okay, we're going to open serial monitor. Okay, as you can see here, does it just show the temperature and humidity pretty clearly?
Let me just... Yes.
Okay, good. So now apparently the thing is this heat and humidity sensor is sensitive enough that... Can you blow on it? As you can see by my friend blowing on it, that the humidity is increased by about 10%, 50. Significantly increased.
On it so much.
Now we are going to take the computer near the refrigerator to show you the temperature range. And let me start the shower.
What?
Okay.
I'm so confused.
Huh?
So funny.
Okay. You're now putting the sensor. Can you come here?
Yep.
Yes. Here. How you can see our temperature is dropping quite rapidly. 69, 68, 67. We started initially with a temperature of 77. Let me turn up thermostat to like Satan level.
What?
So now you can see the temperature is dropping. Show that's in the freezer a bit, real quick. Yeah, thanks. Okay. It's dropping significantly. Would expect this to be a little bit faster, but you know.
Nice.
Okay, just shut up because See, now that we closed the freezer, as you can tell, it's dropping much faster. This effectively helps us preserve the block for later in winter break when we can just defrost it. Maybe pause that for a sec.
Back on?
Back on the video. So now, in consistency with our interface, we've well exceeded the low temperature, and here now, after pausing this, we are ready to defrost our senior design project to reuse it, because it works like food. Okay, so now, can you pause it again? For the sensor. Okay, so, since pausing this video, what we did is, I put the shower on and, for a little bit, and so basically this actually got the humidity level up quite a bit. It's dropping a little bit, but as you see, the humidity is quite high, and that's why I'm sweating, I guess. I didn't know. So now you can see it's dropping. As before, we did display that the humidity was, I believe, down to levels around 30, 40 initially in the video. So this is the humidity dropping. Let me get my humidity sensor out to verify consistency. Okay, now you can see with our humidity sensor. This is taking a few seconds to regulate, but as you see, show the computer data. As you see, it's actually catching up and equalizing to levels near this, so this should be reading about the same in a few moments. So we did shut off our, the shower humidity levels decrease, the humidity in the room is decreasing now after inducing it, and we are letting it go. So now as you see, it's around actually the range of this humidity sensor. Of course, we cannot verify if this is perfect. The humidity level is approaching what this is indicating, which is around 51, still dropping. As you can see, it's also within working feasibility. I think that is sufficient for our video. Thank you.